camera. We are here in Hawaii. Did I butcher that?
Nope. Maui, Hawaii.
Maui, Hawaii.
Yeah.
And we are here with Daylan and his super clean Tintop Samurai. I already forget what year it is.
1987 Suzuki Samurai.
I would agree with that.
Suzuki's, it's been around for a while. Like I remember growing up in high school, and a lot of the old school guys had the Suzuki's, but now it's getting more popular. More Jimneys coming from like Japan. They're bringing it over, but here on Maui, there's a bunch of guys that has some Jimneys, has a couple of Suzuki's. So the off-roading scene is, for me, I'm still learning, so I'm kind of getting into it. But there's some heavy duty, crazy rock crawler guys up here. For me, I'm just trying to venture into off-roading, rock crawling, just cruising on the trails. So I know everybody knows Hawaii style. They like their tires big, sticking out, wide rims. I grew up having Toyotas. I had like single cab Toyotas, extra cab Toyotas, and I always had wide rims, Boggers, wide rims, 12-inch rims, 14-inch rims. So Hawaii style, we like them wide, which is not necessarily good at off-roading. You're gonna go rock crawls, you're gonna damage your rims, you're gonna scrape your rims. So this just happened today. It is what it is. That's the price that you pay to have those wide rims. So 31 by 12 half Super Swamper Boggers, 15 by 12-inch rims. I think it's Alkoa's. My friend gave it to me from Kauai. He gave it to me for free, so I'm rocking it. But I bought it from this dude, shipped it over here to Hawaii. It had a small little spring under lift. I wanted a little bit more height. I wanted a little bit more flexy articulation type, so I went with the Trail Tough spring over. I think it was a 6.5-inch lift spring over Trail Tough kit. So it's YJ springs in the back, rears up front, and I think it's their own bonsai spring. So that's the Trail Tough springs, a little bit more flexy. And for me, it got me a little bit more height, and the flex is perfect. It's super soft, flexy. Transfer case gears, 6.4. It turns this 31's pretty good on hills with the 1.3 engine I have. Not so good, but it gets me to where I want to go. So axle gears, 4.57s. 4.57s is good for 31s. Anything bigger, 5.38s they suggest for the Suzuki stock axle.
There you go. And then probably start going that way. It's nice and slow. You all right? Nice and slow. And maybe start going driver. It's gonna come up and over. Just go slow. Woo! Perfect.
When I first bought it, my friend kind of checked it out. We had a cracked piston. So my friend actually took this whole thing out and we rebuilt it. We put in some bigger pistons. I think it's bored out 40 over. I think that's the max you can go with this thing. So if I blow this thing, that's it. This Myside Harley Davidson Carb, game changer. Better response, Better off-roading angles. You'll still dial, but you'll start that thing up 1 speed, but it's way better than the Weber Carb. I know some of you guys are in love with the Webers, but it is what it is. Myron from ZuksOffroad, super solid guy. I text him all kinds of stuff, man. I bother that guy. Good company to go order your parts from, but this Harley Davidson Carb, game changer for the Suzuki off-roading especially. But that Trail Tough power steering kit, they take it out of the Sidekick. It's like a used donor part, but you get the kit. It's a game changer at power steering off-roading. Your arms are not going to burn the next couple of days after off-roading. So
Just go slow. Yeah, try that. Just go slow. Keep going, you got it. There you go. And yeah, right on. And then cut it hard passenger.
you see this dents right there in the back? Right there, I cover it, but you can still see it. I don't even know how I got that dent. What's in the back? Spare tire. 29-inch spare tire. That's the tire that when I first bought this truck, it had this tire on. It was originally, I got the tire mount back here. Originally it was on top here, but I don't know. I wanted to take it off. I'm still trying to figure out where am I gonna put this tire, but for now I got it. I just got it strapped down. I just made this little thing just to keep everything off. Before it was just thrown in, situated, but I got the Morphlate air hose with a compressor over here. I got a small little jack just in case we get crazy and we get into some trouble. So yeah, I just got some tools back here. I got the rack up top, and when my brother-in-law gave me like his gun case and stuff like that. So there's no guns in the case, guys. No guns in the case. There's just toe straps in there, some more tools. Crap, I don't even know what else, but just some extra stuff for recovery for this thing just in case I get into trouble, but that's it. Always learning with this thing. I'm already hitting this flares, and so 33's a little bit more taller. I'm not too sure how I'm gonna do that yet, but maybe Toyota axles. My friend that gave me the 15x12s got some Toyota axles for me that he's willing to give me. So I don't know. Never ending upgrades at Suzuki, and it only gets better every time you upgrade. You go on the trails. Oh, I get stuck here and there. I need this, I need that. So it's never ending, and I love it. I don't care what you drive. You could drive a Tesla. You could drive a sick 4Runner, a lifted ass Toyota Tacoma, Suzuki Samurais, or a Jimny. I never did own a Jimny, but that's so much fun. This little thing will get you places, and it's just a fun vehicle to drive. I just love driving down the road, cruising. So if you want to get a Samurai and you're on the edge or on the fence trying to figure out, maybe I shouldn't do it, bro. Don't, just do it and build that thing up however you want to build it. It's super fun. I wish I bought this thing earlier.
Just nice and slow and straight. Easy. So thank you, Daylan, again for taking the time to show us around this super cool island, which has a lot to offer if you're into Samurais or Jimneys or any other K trucks, or if you really like super swampers, wide wheels, wide tires, super wide. It is the way to live your life out here in the 808. Any last thoughts, Daylan?
Last thoughts? No, I got some last words, but thank you, Kyler, for coming out cruising with us. I actually met Kyler through Instagram. I reached out to him because he had those Suzuki calendars. I I
That
need to
is
get
how,
one.
that's how it came to.
Yeah, so
That's
I
right.
we met through Instagram. I bought his calendars, came in, and then we just kind of been back and forth. You know how it is communicating with road ride with the other Suzuki enthusiasts or lovers of the Suzuki. But that's how we met through Instagram. He hit me up. Yeah, I'm coming to Maui, and
Here we are.
Yeah, it's been super fun cruising. We
Yes,
we
sir.
went up a couple weekends ago. We cruised this other spot. Today we're doing another one. But thank you for come cruising, and it's been
Thank
been
you.
a pleasure. Yeah,
No, it's been a good time for sure, and I
Yeah.
can't wait to come back. We'll see what happens, in the future, but we'll definitely be back.
yeah. To be continued.
To be continued.
Yes.
Let's go.
Aloha.